I'm holy. Time to turn back around.
He is so scary, y'all. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Queen Sheek coming at you with another video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, hit that bell for notifications. If you're a regular, welcome back. So you read the title. This is a vlog all about my birthday trip. Your girl just turned 36, so keep watching. First things first, I gotta be faithful to my customers and get these last two orders out. I didn't get them out yesterday. I was up to 1 o'clock in the morning packing orders. So these are the last two that had to go out since yesterday. And look at my little helper. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
All right. We at the post office. Yeah. Alright, you guys, here I am driving me and my family to Atlantic City. We are headed to the Rainforest Cafe and the boardwalk, a place I haven't been since I was a kid. Yo, we made it my first time driving to Atlantic City. Ow, now we gotta figure out how to get in here and where to park at because, I guess you pay to park right there. Y'all ready to go eat with the animals?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Look, I think you pay to park over here. I'm getting content. Ooh, look, we're in a jungle. They're inside.
They're not, that should be right there.
This is just the store. Shut up. Shut up. Look, guys, look at the butterfly. Oh,
my name is Tracy Tree, and I was born in the rainforest. Do you know what a rainforest is?
no, not yet.
It's a wonderful place filled with lush grass, thick trees.
Stop! Stop it! Stop it! Oh my God! I am so sorry.
TJ, say hi.
Oh my gosh! I haven't been here since I was a kid.
Hey.
So now I'm bringing my kids. Oh my goodness! Welcome to the adventure, guys. Whoa! Sit down. Uh-oh, thunder. Uh-oh, guys, uh-oh.
Oh, they stretch on this.
It's just not scared.
They close.
My son Sean, he is treating me for my birthday. Don't worry, I did not go over the limit that he told me to. But I did get some ribs and some steak and some shrimps.
Yeah.
Oh my.
It's thundering.
It's rubber. I do it. I can tell by the little guy. Yeah, look at you have to touch it.
I don't know why you pushing me.
Oh! It's rubber.
I'm not messing with this one. This is my peak. I would be going hard peak. Yeah! Yeah!
That makes sense.
Y'all better keep walking. So check this. We just ran into a dude. He's straight up on here on this boardwalk selling weed. He was like, weed. Come and get your weed right here. My husband talked about, time to give. My husband is so scary.
I'm holy. Time to turn back around.
He is so scary, y'all. Make no sense.
Wait, what?
They got the smoke vape out here, y'all. This is Smoker's Island.
He's petted. He won't. He won't. He won't. I'm gonna pet it. I want to pet it. What are y'all doing?
Sharon wants to pet the duckies or the birdies.
You can't. It's gonna fly away. Do it. You don't take. You can't take videos of people who don't know you.
Whoa.
I'm getting lost. I don't.
I love it. Are you kidding?
So, day 2 of my birthday adventure. Usually I celebrate my birthday all September. Just in case if can't nobody do something for me for that particular day, they have all September to do something for me. I'm just that person. But my hubby is treating me out to one of my favorite restaurants, Red Lobster. We love the biscuits. I'm getting, y'all know I'm on this protein diet thing. So I'm getting some grilled chicken and some mushrooms along with other stuff. So yeah. Yes, Lord. Here is my food. I got some chicken breast, some Brussels sprouts, some loaded mashed potatoes, some macaroni or lobster mashed potatoes. You got all that. Good Lord. Well, this concludes my birthday trip. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, hit that bell for notifications. And I will see you in the next vlog.